Teaching profession is a noble profession. Educate to educate is our motto. Teacher empowerment, need for the society, encouraging teachers and train them properly. Acquired skill should be encouraged to utilize the acquired skill for social development. You, the teachers, talented, brilliant. We need to do is to channel teachers or our brilliancy to positive direction for benefit of the society. Always we are keeping busy with positive things. It is necessary to strive for excellence, which will be in the area of improving our potentials. Bringing focus to the way we work. Globally, we need to adopt positive minds and develop their approaches. Viewing as a teacher as resources. Spend our time wisely. Positive activities that help to develop our values and sense of self-confidence. Leadership training. It is essential for our life. So, we can improve our leadership quality. Value information and skill development helps us or the teachers to find our own voices, figures, potentials, abilities and our strengths and pursue what inspires we are. We can explore the challenges we face and identify the options available to us. We can identify the best with good use of prioritization skills and appropriate decision making techniques. We must use it properly. Teach positive alternatives. Be the change. The society needs a change. We can do our best in the society. The teachers can do the best. Opportunity is given to us. You, we or the teachers are the driving force in creating positive change in our communities, in our environment and the nation also. Teachers are highly capable of designing solutions to the challenges they face daily. So, always the teachers think positive and do the alternatives and do the good for the society. A teacher to be a role model, a mentor and a friend. Ever present, we have touched the life of so many. Always we are encouraging, always dignified and always a presence. Challenging us all to reach higher and to strive further. Teaching is complex work that people actually have to be taught to do. Now, the skills and attributes of today's learner. Effective oral and written communication, critical thinking and problem solving, collaboration across networks, agility and adaptability, empathy and global stewardship, vision, self-regulation, curiosity and imagination, initiative and encouragement. These are some of the attributes of today's learners. So, the teachers also learn and improve their quality and according to their needs of our students. Yes, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. So be a candle. Wishing you the best. Thank you.